For a charge to be neutral, this last pair has to be positive and negative. If a charge is going to be negative, then this last pair has to be negative, negative. But for a charge to be positive, this last pair has to be positive, positive.
The reason why ceramic wrap sticks to a plastic bowl can be explained in 5 steps. 1. Plastic wrap is charged by friction. When brought near the bowl polarizes. The second point is the positive charges in the bowl move close to the negative plastic wrap, and the negative charges move away from the plastic wrap. The third point is the distance between the opposite attractive charges is smaller than the distance between the like compelling charges. The force between the charges is F equals Q1 times Q2 over distance. And we know that the Q's are the amount of charge. Since there is a greater distance between the repulsive forces, the force between them will be less than the attractive forces. Thus, the plastic wrap will stick to the bowl. However, because ceramic and glass bowls are insulators, the plastic wrap will not stick to the bowls.
Conductors let charges move through them, and insulators stop charges from moving. Hey, Isabel, guess what? If I were to touch a charged object, I wouldn't get electrocuted.
Why is that?
That's because this rubber mat here is an insulator, and an insulator stops charges from moving. So therefore, the charges that are running through the object would not be able to run through me and into the ground. Hey, guess what, Isabel?
What?
If I were to touch something that has an electric charge running through it, I would get electrocuted.
Why?
Because I'm standing on this chair, and this chair is a conductor as well as my body, so the charge would run through me and into the ground, therefore electrocuting me.
Why does your hair stand up after you put a sweater on?
Well, when you put a sweater on, your sweater rubs against your hair and feels electrons through friction. So your sweater is negative. Since it's full of the electrons from your hair is full of protons and is positive. All the positive protons in your hair repel each other, and your hair stands up.
Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law states that the force between any two charges is inversely proportional to the distance.